Why does your scanner show the P0851 engine code? What does it mean? P0851 is a diagnostic trouble code for park neutral switch input circuit low. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's computer, PCM or ECM, has detected a voltage reading from the park or neutral switch that is lower than the manufacturer's specified range for the current driving conditions. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: defective park or neutral switch, wiring issues, transmission range sensor problems, other potential factors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Subaru models like the Legacy, Outback, Impreza, and Forester. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.